Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are giving you a tour of the Montego Bay Metro bus park. Now in Kingston, the JUTC operates, but in Montego Bay, the government-run service is called Montego Bay Metro. Now it's not as big as the JUTC, but the Montego Bay Metro is growing. Now, the JUTC has over 300 buses. Montego Bay Metro, not including the school buses, has over or around between 22 and 30 buses. So, we are going to give you an update on what's happening with Montego Bay Metro. Now, this bus service needs to be expanded. The Montego Bay Metro, they need more buses. And one of the reasons for this is because of the number of hotels in Montego Bay. The amount of developments, not only hotels, but other developments taking place in Montego Bay. For example, just take one development. Look at Lilliput in Montego Bay. You have the Hard Rock Hotel and Casino to be built, 1,000 rooms. You have Iberia Star open. You have Moon Palace to build 1,350 rooms, and you have the Unico to open this year. That one area, Lilliput, not to mention the residents that live there, for those who use the bus service, they are going to need transportation to Montego Bay because Montego Bay is the second city in Jamaica. It is the city for Western Jamaica. So they definitely need more buses. And the good thing is they are expanding, although slowly, but they're still expanding. So just as an example, they probably need 100 more buses. Not to mention the schools around Montego Bay, not to mention all the small towns and districts that need to be connected via a bus service. Savlamar, the largest town in Jamaica or Western Jamaica, needs to be connected to Montego Bay via a reliable bus service. So we're going to give you an update on what's happening with Montego Bay Metro. The Montego Bay Metro Bus Company plays a critical role in public transportation across Montego Bay and Western Jamaica, providing affordable, safe, and reliable bus service to thousands of commuters daily. As traffic congestion increases and transportation costs rise, Montego Bay Metro has become an essential alternative to private taxis and minibuses. In recent years, the company has expanded its operations significantly, particularly through the addition of new buses aimed at improving service coverage, reliability, and passenger comfort. Montego Bay Metro is fully operational, running scheduled routes across St. James, Hanover, Trelawney, and parts of Westmoreland. Its buses serve corridors such as downtown Montego Bay, Green Pond, Cambridge, Falmouth, Lucy, Green Island, and Negril, ensuring that urban and rural communities remain connected. The service operates early in the morning to accommodate students and workers, while maintaining regular runs throughout the day to meet commuter demand. This wide operational footprint has strengthened mobility for residents who depend on public transportation for work, education, healthcare, and commerce. A major milestone in the company's growth has been the recent expansion of its fleet. In 2024, Montego Bay Metro added 12 modern diesel buses, dramatically increasing its operational capacity. This expansion was followed by the addition of 2 more buses in 2025, bringing the fleet to approximately 20 buses, with further additions planned. These new vehicles are air-conditioned, more fuel-efficient, and better equipped to handle high-pressure volumes, improving the overall commuting experience. The fleet upgrade has allowed the company to increase service frequency, reduce overcrowding, and expand it into previously underserved communities. Alright guys, that's the end of the update. As you can see from this video, they seem to have a lot of old buses parked here. but they do have modern buses. All right, guys, enjoy the tour. Have a good day.